Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Andito kami ngayon sa playground. Sa park. Mag-iikot kami. Manghuhuli naman kaming Pokemon, guys. Oh my God. Non-stop kaming Pokemon ngayon. Oh, see. Are you catching already? Wow.
Yeah.
Yes, already. Found already.
I found you one.
What is the name, Ed?
You read.
Sudowoodo.
Sudowodo.
Sudowoodo.
No. Oh, Sudowodo.
Yeah. They catch already.
Sudowoodo.
So,
This one is
manghuhuli
new.
na naman kami ng Pokemon ngayon.
This one is new.
Wow, it's
Generation-
good. Oh,
Generation-
come on, see?
Generation, I don't know.
already. So, where we sit down first and then you catch?
Don't know.
You don't count it? Guys, pahinga muna kami dito kasi basig merong lalapit na